In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve responses in Google Forms quickly and easily, all in just under 5 minutes. Whether you're collecting feedback, organizing an event, or running a survey, knowing how to view and manage your responses is crucial. So let's get started and make the most out of your Google Forms. First, head over to Google Drive. This is where all your Google Docs, Sheets, and importantly your Google Forms are stored. Once you're in Google Drive, look towards the upper left corner for the Apps button. Clicking on this will reveal a list of available Google applications that are integrated with Drive. From this list, find and click on Forms. This will take you to a dashboard displaying all your forms. Now select the specific form you wish to work with. Simply click on the form's title to open it. Once your form is open, navigate to the top of the page and click on the Responses tab. This is where you can view a summary of your collected data. For more options, look for the 3 dots or the More Options icon. This icon is your gateway to downloadable and printable formats for your data. Click on it and from the drop-down menu you can download all your responses in a .csv format. This file type is perfect for further data analysis in spreadsheet programs such as Excel or Google Sheets. After downloading, go back to the More Options menu by clicking the 3 dots again. This time select the option to Print All Responses. Printing your responses can help create a physical record of your data. When prompted, decide whether you want to print directly or save everything as a PDF for digital use. This is ideal if you wish to share or archive the data neatly. Lastly, if you'd prefer to analyze the data directly, Google Forms provides a convenient option to view all your responses in Google Sheets with a single click. Simply look for the View in Sheets icon, typically located next to the More Options icon, and click it. This will automatically open the responses in a new Google Sheets document where you can dive deeper into data manipulation and charting. And that's it. You've now learned how to retrieve, download, print, and analyze the responses from your Google Forms. By following these steps, managing the information collected via your forms is as easy as pie. Make sure to make the most of these tools to streamline your data handling process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.